Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find model name of our Samsung S22, exact model name. We can find it in settings, and we need to scroll all the way down until the section about phone. And as you can see, we have model name right here. We also have our IMEI, our serial number here. This model we cannot change. There are we can only change name of our phone, product name. For example, if you want to connect our Bluetooth devices, etc. So we can know that this device is ours, but the model name will remain unchanged. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.